Primetime News this evening. Former Member of Parliament Julian Silveira charged in his wife's murder.
Several firearms seized as police clamp down on illegal security company in Clarendon.
And cell phone records reveal damning communication in Beachy Stout murder trial. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, we're always talking about productivity, and this evening we'll hear from the finance minister who's pinpointed some areas that could take some more investment to boost output.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Spencer Darlington. He has a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Herman. Well, the National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year for 2023 will be named tonight at the Jamaica Pegasus. We'll have a live report in Primetime Sports from the awards gala later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you make of the recent crime-fighting efforts by the Jamaica Constabulary Force?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.